Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and this guide assumes you already signed into your account. Make sure you're logged in or some steps may not work as expected. So, if your Jira issues and if your projects aren't loading or notifications aren't working, try this. Try to restart your app. Try to check permissions. Try to check internet. Try to reinstall your application. Just like this. And if previous options didn't help you, try to reboot your phone. I hope it helps you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.